Hello guys, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com. So today is my day one on my journey on this amazing platform called MyLead Secret. It's a platform wherein you can get 100 to 200 leads per day for your business. So stay tuned because I will show to you this system, how it works, and how easy to use this software, and how you can get more leads and more sales for your business. So right now we are here at my back office, my lead gen secret. So this is my day one after I registered yesterday evening. Okay, so I already emailed my 200 leads that I received. Okay, so here's the result. So I have 64 open read. Okay, then 21 people click my email. Okay, that was my first day. Okay, so this is not a quick rich income. Okay guys, so you need to have a consistency on this kind of business, because wherein on this platform you can get 100 to 200 leads. Okay, so before I continue, I would like to show you the sales page of this MyLead Secret. Okay, so if you are a struggling internet marketer who are sick and tired of doing everything alone, then you need to see this platform. Okay, so you can get the secret of many successful online marketers, wherein there's a saying, right, that the money is in the list. So if you don't have a list or leads, so you are not making money. To get some leads, so you need to generate traffic. So you need to spend a lot of money, like on Facebook ads, on Google ads, on YouTube ads. Okay, so you cannot you need to test your campaign before you can generate a lot of leads. Okay, but this one, they are offering a platform wherein you can get 100 to 200 leads per day. So this platform, it costs only $30, a one-time setup fee, plus you can avail the leads per month for only $30 or $1 per day. So every day your leads are growing, because this platform is sending you 100 leads per day. Okay, these are high quality leads every day. Okay, so if you have 100 leads on one day times 30 days, so you have 3,000 leads per month. Okay, so if you are involved in network marketing, or if you own a product, so you can send your offer with these leads using the platform of MyLead Secret. So you don't need to have other platform. Okay, so you can email those leads inside this platform. So let's go to the back office again. So here's the back office. Okay, so I upgraded only yesterday. So let's check my leads. So if you check my leads, so you will see all the leads that has been sent to you. Okay, so right now I have 300 leads. Actually, I registered May 16, 2019, but I didn't upgrade my system because I'm too busy with my other businesses. But after a while, after a month ago, so some of my friends who joined this MyLead Secrets are now making $500 to $1,000 per month. So that's why I decided to upgrade and to do this business. Okay, so let's go back. Then you can have your master email swipes. So there's a one-time offer. Okay, costs only $59.95 one-time fee.
Congratulations, you made it into my club.
So to get the 30 master email swipes. Okay, so it's an optional if you want to upgrade. Then the mailing system. So right now I will email all the leads. Okay, all you need to do is to select all. Okay, so we have 300 leads. Then you can go right here, so you can put your subject. Then so you can watch this video if you want, if you are a newbie. Okay, but right now on this demo I will not show you the video. Okay, and then right here you can paste the body of your email. So I already prepare an email, okay, and also a product that I will send to these leads, okay. So I will try to promote this Ecom Life. It's an Ecom opportunity and training wherein they are offering how to make money through e-commerce, okay. So I'll copy this one, the subject, and then put here. After that, so I will copy this by the body and paste it here. Then after that, you can edit this one, also the font. So let's edit the size 16. Okay, so this one, make it this bold. Then put your affiliate link. So this one. So I just copy your affiliate link. Then hypermark on this word, okay. So just click this link. Then put your affiliate link. Then your name. Then after that, you can add your picture. Just click on the image and add your picture. So you can resize the image. Okay, then after that, you can add this one, this PS. And then right here, so you can add your My Legion affiliate link. Okay, so I'll copy this link. Click OK. Then this one, adding my Facebook account and click OK. Okay, so I'm done. So after that, you can now click this perfect timing and you can preview your email. Okay, so my affiliate link is now active. So I'll close it, then send. Okay, I send this one. So I already select all my leads, send email. That's it. So that's how simple you need to do every day. Okay, just few minutes, I guess 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, then you need to set your alarm clock. So after 22 hours, you can email again, and you can also receive again 100 leads by tomorrow. Okay, so that's how simple it is. After that, you can check your statistics right here. Okay, so this one, yesterday I email. Okay, so from 200 leads, 64 people opened their email. Then I got 21 clicks. Okay, then you can also promote these My Lead Gen secrets, wherein you can earn some extra money. Okay, by sharing your sales page, your splash page. So how to make money through promoting this platform. So you will receive $5 every month on your personal sales. Okay, directly who buy on your affiliate link. So every month you will receive $5 if they subscribe every month. Okay, then after that, if that person refer a person to buy this platform, so you will earn $4 up to 5th level. So on your 3rd level, you will earn $3. On your 4th level, you will earn $2. And on your 5th level, you will earn $1 every month. So there's also a weekly superstar bonus, wherein you can get 100 bonuses each week by simply repairing 5 new customer membership sales in a 7-day contest period. Okay, so you can also use this affiliate email wherein you can promote this platform. Then there's also recommended advertising. So if you want to check this one. Okay, but right now we are focusing here on your leads. So you can download these leads and you can email it using your own autoresponder or mailing system, or through the use of Gmail. So you can email these leads. So at least Gmail allow you to email at least 500 leads per day. So that's how the system works. And how this My Lead secret can help your business. Okay, Plus, if you join today, okay, under my team, so you can receive some of my exclusive bonuses. So I prepare my custom bonuses just for you. Okay, so number one, you can learn more about YouTube marketing. It's a YouTube authority. It's a video tutorial. Okay. Then number two, advanced traffic blueprint, wherein you can learn about YouTube's SEO, live events, solo ads, okay, and other form of traffic. Then bonus number three is personalized social videos or video ads that you can use on promoting your My Lead Gen secrets on social media. Then number four, a digital business card. So you can use this on your offline, even you are offline, so you can use this business card and you can promote your My Lead Gen secret. Then bonus number five is a Facebook training. Okay, Facebook page. So this is Facebook page training. Okay, so step-by-step training wherein you will learn how to create a Facebook fan page. Then number six is a free WordPress installation service. This is worth $165. Okay, if you have a hosting account, so I can install a blog for you. Then bonus number seven, you can access our private Facebook group support. Okay, wherein you can learn a lot from some of the experts. Okay, and you can access all the materials from the team. So that's all for now. So I hope you learn a lot, or maybe you have some question, so you can comment below on this video. Okay, so make sure to register under my affiliate link. So after that, you register and you upgrade your account. So you need to email me or message me on Facebook with your receipt. Then I will send you right away the bonuses. Okay, so that's all for now. So thank you for watching. So don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe and the bell button. Okay, that's all for now, and see you on my next video.